guys, hope you are doing great. This is Sachi from JUNKFUNK and I am back with a new plant video. So today we are going to use this basket, and today I'll show you how to use this basket for plantation, and we are going to create a zoo themed fairy garden today, and I'll be showing you everything about the tropical plant. So let's get started with the video. To begin with, we take this basket and we are going to line it up using some plastic bags. So I'm using these bags. These are just the garbage bags we all have at home, or you can use any kind of plastics, big ones. I am just going to line it up like this, and since the basket is bigger, I'm using two to make it a more secured one. Make sure you give the shape of the basket properly to the plastic like this. I am doing it here. Using these tape, I am just putting it here so that it is a secured one. Hope you like this video. This was something very big I tried for the first time on this YouTube channel. Hope you really like this. This is what I call as a jungle basket, and all the plants I've used here are of tropical indoor house plant variety. So I'm going to give you a very brief introduction about all these. So starting from the big one, this is Calathea, and this is Aralia. This here, it's a fern. This is a variety of palm here. This is Peperomia Caperata variety, and then this here, this is Maranta. This has like purple leaf on the beneath, and this is Syngonium. I have just kept it very close to give it a jungle feel here, and again repeating this Peperomia Caperata here. Then these little ones are Asparagus variety, and this here, it's a Chinese coin of Pilea variety. This grows in a muddy water. So what I've done here is I've just lined it up with plastic as I had shown you. Then I just put this matka over here to put the water for this plant, and matka also is of terracotta, so it will breathe and keep the soil hydrated even when I'm not watering it. And you can at least in 2-3 days give it a spray. Keep it in an indirect light of your house opposite to a window. No direct sunlight is required. It needs a little humid environment, but not a soggy muddy soil. And here I have kept a few miniature of animals and some mushrooms to give it a feel of a bushy jungle. And to water it, you can obviously feel the soil. If it is wet, you can if it's moderate wet, water very lightly, don't over water it. And you can water it like in 2-3 days, very small. You can use injection or a dripping bottle. Don't water it like with a big mug or something very with a splash. Water it very gently, and this will remain as it is for very long. And if you see any leaves which is getting dead, please cut it off and remove it. And if you recreate something huge like this, please do tag me on my Instagram account, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that red button and bell icon to never miss this video. Please give your like to this video, share this video, and comment below if you like this video. And I'll see you in the next video like this. Keep planting. Bye.